It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto tayo ng isang very classic Pinoy recipe. Let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of our Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya sisimulan na natin yung ating recipe today. Gagawa tayo ng Bistek Tagalog and meron tayong beef dito. I'm using beef sirloin from Fresh Options and it's cut very thinly. Tingnan mo kasi machine cut siya. So, sobrang nipis niya. So, another tip is, for example, meron ka ng beef, no? And gusto mo siyang i-tender kasi hindi ka sure sa quality, pwede mong gawin, you can just, use the back of your knife and just, pound it, no? Yan. But in this case, I don't have to do that because yung beef ko is already tender and it's cut very thinly. So what will we do now is we will marinate. We're using 1/4 cup of Silver Swan soy sauce. And of course, 4 tablespoons of calamansi juice. Diba yung asim alat yung hanap natin sa ating bistek. And of course, lalagyan natin siya ng garlic. So meron akong minced garlic, black pepper, and of course, gagamit tayo ng clear soda. Yan. So yun ang marinate natin because the soda will also help tenderize the meat. You can marinate this for up to overnight. And we leave that there. Okay? So may siding tayo sa ating bistek. Meron akong gagawa ko ng fried potato. So parang French fries na rin. Where I have a potato here which is simmering in water na may asin. No? What I will do here, I'll just, discard the water. Let it dry up a bit. Yan. And I will fry it here. So I'm going to heat up my pan. Nakikita nyo, we just left the skin on, but be sure to wash it very well. Kaya ito, lalagyan na natin yung ating potatoes. Let it fry. So our potatoes are done. Just let the excess oil drip off. Yan. If you want it even crisper, pwede mo siya i-double fry. So after this, i-fry mo ulit. Using the same pan, para mas maging fancy or mas special yung gagawin natin, I will saute part of my onions, half of my onions. So, I like my bistek. Pag meron akong sauteed onions, meron din akong raw onions. I really love that combination. Kasi when you saute the onions, they become sweet. Yan. That will continue to, cook as I put it aside kasi mainit pa siya. And again, on the same pan, para mas fancier pa rin yung ating presentation and mas masarap siya, more complex flavors, I will just fry garlic. Fry garlic. You just have to be sure that you're in control of the heat. What we're doing, we're slow frying our garlic so that we're sure that, it's really dehydrated, no? Inside and outside. My garlic is done. Then, I just strain my garlic. May fried garlic na ako pang garnish. Easy to do. And I just put that aside for later. Gagawin ko dito, to be able to sear my beef has to be dry a bit. So, kailangan ko i-strain. So, hindi ko siya pwede from here. Dediretso ko siya sa aking pan. Kasi, instead of searing, it's going to stew. So, what I do, I strain my marinade. Get as much liquid out as possible. Ayan. Press it out. And we begin to sear. Oh. Kaya it's very important for me to use quality beef kasi I don't want my beef to be overcooked, especially pag bistek. So we just, sear our beef in batches until it's all done. And what do we do now? Yung drippings natin, put it all back together with our marinade. And we let that simmer. So, yung ating marinade becomes our sauce. Ito, meron pa tayong drippings dito. Pero idadagdag ko na rin yung aking beef, no? For a final cooking. You can add more black pepper if you want. And we add our sauteed onions. And I pour over my Bistek sauce. Of course, our fried potatoes on the side. And that. Here it is, our very simple version of Bistek Tagalog. Try it at home. It's our family's favorite and I'm sure your family loves it as well. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!